going on, y'all? I'm about to drive to Mount Saint Helens to go summit the mountain. I'm gonna be hiking in the dark alone. Is it scary? Yeah, a little bit. But I like the challenge of overcoming my fears because, you know, it's pretty gratifying. I'm gonna go drink some coffee and do a quick little workout before I go. This is all raw. You get to see how I look in the morning before I put on makeup. Hey, what's up, buddy? Too bad, they don't allow dogs at the trailhead, unfortunately. Right? I'm gonna go take a cold shower now, so I will see you at the trailhead. Cheers. All right, it is about 3:30. I'm here at the trailhead, and it's pitch black, so here we go. It's always a little bit spooky hiking at 3 a.m. in the mountains alone in the dark, but the fear and scariness invigorates me, you know what I mean? I know you guys can't see, but the stars and the moon are amazing here at night. Wow. This is the part where you scramble up on these boulders. You can finally see the sun starting to come up. So the past few months I've been doing a lot of solo hikes in the dark, and I find the satisfaction in overcoming those fears and obstacles. This last descent is a bit brutal. We'll make it though. So I'm first to the top of this beautiful morning. It was a little spooky coming up here in the dark alone, but I've gotten to the point in my life where I'm very comfortable with being uncomfortable because I get to see the process of change and growth in my life. I challenge you to do the same. Do something that scares you, makes you feel uncomfortable. You know, because if you're comfortable, there's really no room for growth. It's you gotta be uncomfortable to really see the growth in your life. You know what I mean? I've been chilling up here for a while, watching the sunrise. It's been beautiful. In order to enjoy something this beautiful, you still gotta put in the work. I'm gonna start making my way down and actually show you guys what the terrain actually looked like going up. The terrain here actually kind of looks a little bit like Mars, although I have never been to Mars, so I have nothing to compare that to, but it's kind of cool. It's just rocky, sandy, dope. Gotta check out these rock formations. Crazy. These are huge. Kind of crazy to think that I hiked all of that in the dark. It's crazy. So now I'm back where there's a lot of trees, and it's really pretty. Pretty much done with this hike now. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and go do something uncomfortable. You know, go see progress and growth in your life. I'm gonna go back home and I'm gonna go boulder, so I'll talk to you next time.